listen only mode.
I would not be looking to buy on a pullback here, guys. I would not be looking to buy AFRM on a pullback, guys. I would not be looking to buy AFRM on a pullback. I would not be looking to buy AFRM on a pullback, just so you guys know. I would not be looking to buy AFRM on a pullback. All right, so let's go through all the portfolios here. Like I said, a little bit lately, it's been a little bit harder. Signals haven't been as good. We're going to go through ebbs and flows when that's going to happen. Make sure you guys can see the scanner. I drank no alcohol yesterday. Waking up and like after drinking no alcohol, usually I'll even have like one glass of wine. Like you just feel so much better. It's really amazing. So S&P versus my P&L. Yesterday, I think I lost like $820. So this is a bad week for me. Also, we see the futures down. Does anybody know what the futures were down yesterday? I had 1 point. Is that down? Is that right? Or were the futures down yesterday? 20, 19? I lost about 820 yesterday. So I'm down about 2,300 for the week. Let's look at today. Futures are basically up 11. And then my P&L today, 325. That's a fake print here in UEC. So 400. I'm basically flat today, and that's with AIG. So 2,300 for the week. I'm down. Let's see what happens to AIG. Futures are up 187 since we started this. P&L up $34,000. So everything has been good. You know, that combines Alpha Shark Plus. And also I trade on a, there's about $52,000 in here now. There was, got down to about 27, I want to say, 27,000. I thought I was going to have to bring more money in because I don't want the pattern day trade rule. So been on a heater lately. You know, that Intel signal, you know, made me like 13 grand. So that I had a big position in that one. RSI, none again today. You know, I need to download this. We might actually close this down and move the members over. It's a day trading system. It's hard for me to track too. Alpha Shark signals. Siri, we added. Schlumberger will go to 0. If I wanted to go to Schlumberger and make them 0 today, I could. That'll be a 100% loser. Alpha Shark, you know, was really good. But, you know, you can see now 544% after, you know, 24 of 28 trades. They're having a couple losing trades here. They actually had an upgrade in SBLK yesterday. But that we took off. And you can see we still have Sirion. We still have Sirion. I hope Siri gets back to 10 cents. They're 8 cents now. So 2 positions on SIRI. Alpha Shark Plus, still have Cisco on. Those are down. Still have Day on. Those are down. You know, 5 of the last 7 trades have been winners. Pinterest is down. I'm going to still, in Option Hackers, Option Hackers kind of like the creme de la creme to scanners. That one I trust the most because that is an unusual option activity weighted average. Superior Options, we still have CRC still on. CRC calls are 160. I'm just kind of watching AIG. It's 60, 70 now. So here we have in CRC, this is trade as the loser. Next, Superior Option Plus. We don't have anything on. We have 8 straight winning trades. You know, obviously, by mathematical definition, one portfolio has to be the best portfolio of the year. The best portfolio of the year is Super Option Plus. So 8 straight winning trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades. The best portfolio of the year up 1,291%, 19%. I will update these trades and win rate too. Weekly ATM money machine, we have 2 positions on. Schlumberger will go to full value loser. And Intel might be down about 25%. It's worth 75 cents right now. If it gets above 20, at 20 it's break even. At above 20.5, it's 100% winner. But weekly ATM, well, you know, it's like ebb and flow. You can't ever predict when something's going to get hot. This was our hottest for a while, and then you know, it is. So if you had to think about all the portfolios, the hottest portfolio is still 10 out of 10. So 10 out of 10 is the hottest. AIG is down though, so this one's down about 70 cents. So 10 out of 10, we have 14 signals, 11 winners, 3 losers. AIG has flipped to a loser after being a nice winner this morning, which is frustrating because it was a winner. We like winners, not losers. So right now, if I had to say which portfolios, if someone was to call Evan, he said, what's going on, I would say hottest portfolio, 10 out of 10. Coldest portfolio, personal portfolio. And if you don't like to trade spreads, we can move you out of ATM. And then Super Option Plus is the best portfolio. Alpha Shark was the hottest for about 3 months. And now 10 out of 10's kind of replaced that. So those are all your portfolios. Those are all your winners and the losers. AVGO's earnings after the bell. So we'll look at the AVGO at the money straddle, at the money calls, and the at the money puts. So AVGO at the money straddle, the 155 straddle, $10. So $10 move implied, which is about 6%. Some analysts said buy NVIDIA ahead of earnings, but then he also said buy AVGO ahead of earnings. I'm going to do $100 of risk here in AVGO. So at the money straddles, $10. I'm going to look to buy let me see what I can buy. So I can get up to 165. See if I can do the 57. Freeport, 43.5, guys. Freeport, 43.5 for next week. Hitting moonshots. FCX. Freeport McLamon. Hitting moonshots. I should know Freeport on this one already. 43.5 at Freeport, guys. 2,474 in Freeport, guys. Once again, 5 out of 10. But if you like the signal, you can take this in your account with your money. Buyer, Freeport, 9/13, 2024. 43.5 calls for 47 cents. If they hit option, Hacker might be more interested, but here's a signal here on the Moonshot Scanner. Moonshot Scanner, guys, in Freeport McLamon. 5 out of 10. Got Freeport. And then AVGO, what I was going to be looking at doing is buying a butterfly. So I was going to look to buy the 57, 67, 77 butterfly. It's 2.25. That sucks. Hood calls being bought the 19.5. So Hood this week 19.5 trading 1,400 at 17 cents on moonshots. So moonshot scanner. $9.6, 2024, 19.5 calls for 17 cents. So moonshots in Hood. Hood. So Robin Hood, guys. Robin Hood. That a Robin Hood. Futures bid. Hood. I think Hood's really bad on moonshots. 5 out of 10. Everything's at 5 out of 10 today. So Hood calls, Freeport calls, Affirm calls. That's what we see. I cancel my Affirm bid too. Freeport 43.5 for next week. Futures up 25. AIG should be higher. How is AIG lower when the market's higher? It's just annoying me. So keep an eye on Freeport McLeman. We'll keep an eye on hood calls. I was looking at a butterfly in AFRM, but hood 19.5 is 19.25 now. Wolf calls trading here. So let me go back to AVGO. And this week, at the money straddle is $10. So let me try to do, let's try to do the 62, 67, 72 butterfly. I'll do 2 contracts for 60 cents if you want to fill me. So small earnings trade. This will not be a signal for anybody officially. Buy AVGO 9/6/2024. The 162.5, 167.5, 172.5. Call butterfly for 60 cents. 2 contracts, risking 120 to make 1,000. It'd be 1,000 I'd get back minus the 120. So Freeport McLeman. Freeport Mac. I don't understand why AIG is so bad today. So bad. It's trading 77 this morning. So I'm technically long AVGO. Oh, I said I was going to cancel my AFRM calls, and they filled me anyways. That's annoying. Profit target was hit. I should have canceled those. Let's see if I can sell them for a penny higher and make $2. I was going to cancel those. Damn it. Even AK makes mistakes sometimes, I guess. Minutes ago, guys, AIG, I'm kind of watching them. You know, I don't need to be the best bid in the world. I'd rather buy the offer, not 246 of them, than have a resting bid in. But 50 cents. Let's go to the delta here. So the delta's 31. They're worth about 60 right now. So the stock still would have to go down about 30 to 40 more cents. I made a mistake in AFRM. I got 2 contracts at 45. Damn it. I forgot to cancel them. Let's try to get 2 at 35 now. Ha. This is how I was going to lose $100. Now I'm going to lose $400. No, just kidding. All right, guys, we're going to take about a minute, 5-minute break, and I'll take you guys to the next portion of the day.